Volume analysis in Forex trading is often overlooked, but it can provide some serious insight into what's really happening behind the charts. Unlike stocks or futures, Forex doesn't have a centralized exchange, so we don't get to see the actual volume of contracts traded. But that doesn't mean volume is useless. In fact, it's one of the most underrated tools you can use to improve your entries and exits. Today, we're diving into the best methods to use volume analysis to your advantage. All right, first things first. When we talk about volume in Forex, we're usually referring to tick volume. That's the number of price changes in a given time period. While it's not the same as true volume, tick volume tends to correlate very closely. So closely that professional traders still use it as a reliable proxy. One of the best ways to start using volume is to look at volume spikes. A sudden increase in volume during a move can confirm the strength behind a breakout or a breakdown. If price is pushing through a key level and volume is exploding, it's a strong sign that the move might continue. On the other hand, if price breaks a level but volume is flat, it could be a false breakout. Next up is divergence. This one's gold. If price is making new highs but volume isn't keeping up, that's a red flag. It shows that the enthusiasm behind the move is fading. You'll often see this right before a reversal. Same goes for downtrends. If price makes a new low but volume doesn't confirm, it might be time to get ready for a bounce. Another method is using volume to confirm trends. Let's say you're riding a trend and volume starts drying up. That can be a sign the trend is losing momentum. It's not an automatic sell signal, but it should put you on alert. This is especially powerful when combined with trend indicators. Speaking of which, tools like the Apex Trend Indicator can work hand in hand with volume analysis. Imagine this, you're watching a pair with rising volume, and the Apex scanner lights up showing a fresh buy signal. The line turns blue, and the dashboard confirms a high success rate. That's a confluence setup, and those are the kinds of trades that can really stack up pips. You don't need to guess anymore. Apex gives you that visual confirmation, while volume helps you validate the strength behind the move. That combo can help cut through the noise and focus only on the high probability setups. Let's talk about volume in consolidations. Low volume during a range often means traders are waiting, usually for news or a breakout. Once you spot that breakout with a spike in volume, that's your cue. Pair it with a signal from something like Apex, and you're not just trading hope, you're trading a calculated setup. Another great trick is using volume on multiple time frames. If you see rising volume on a higher time frame like H4, and you get a matching signal on M15 or M30, that's multi-time frame alignment. It adds an extra layer of confidence to your trade. Lastly, don't forget about volume on pullbacks. During a trend, pullbacks with low volume often signal a temporary pause rather than a reversal. That's your window to re-enter the trend at a better price. When volume kicks back in and the trend resumes, you're already in position. Volume analysis isn't just for advanced traders. Even beginners can use it to avoid common traps like false breakouts or late entries. The key is to keep it simple and use volume as part of a bigger system. When paired with a solid indicator like Apex, which already filters out the noise and gives you clear entry and exit points, you create a trading edge that's both technical and tactical. So if you've been sleeping on volume, now's the time to wake up. Test these methods. Start small, and over time, you'll notice how much clearer your trades become. Combine volume analysis with accurate tools, and you'll stop guessing and start trading with purpose. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out fxlimit.com to learn more about how the Apex Trend Indicator can elevate your strategy. See you in the next one.